emergency medicine, Bryce. From district psychiatry, Heather. From district dermatology, Liz. From district obstetrics and gynecology, Ashley. And finally, Cody Lee.
Thank you. Well, there you have it. The 60-second annual match games have officially begun. The first challenge the tributes will face is one that I know we've all faced at one point in our lives. Challenge number 1, show up and feign interest.
Period. Week 3 through 8. Gastrulation is a process that establishes the 3 primary germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm, thereby forming trilaminar embryonic disc. This process is indicated by the formation of a primitive streak within the
I just love Dr. Blankenship, don't you? Let's see if our judges have made their decisions. Well, the LCME has made their decision. The first tribute who will soap is Cody Lee. What a shame, what a shame. Let's move on to our next challenge. The next one is going to take some style and finesse. Challenge number 2, perform a public exam.
I'm Heather from psychiatry, and I will be doing your public exam today. Okay? Okay. So I'm gonna need you to just open up to me. Really, tell me how you're feeling. Do you need some Xanax?
Hi, I'm Liz. I'm from dermatology. I'm going to be doing your pelvic exam today.
Oh, is that all?
Oh, yeah, that's it. I just looked from the outside.
Bryce from emergency medicine. I'll be doing your pelvic exam today. Hi, is this OB Guy?
Hey, I'm Jake. I'll be doing your pelvic exam today with ortho. So why don't we just jump right into this? I'm gonna start with some plain radiographs instead, all right? Okay.
Hi there, I'm Ashley from OBGYN. I'm going to be doing your pelvic exam today. Okay, so I've done this lots of times before. Just let me know if at any time you feel uncomfortable, okay? Okay, we're all done. Everything looked healthy and normal. Except I found this down. Who did your last pelvic exam?
Well, that's certainly one way to do it. Jimmy, have you made your decision? The next tribute, who will soap, is district dermatology. I guess you have to actually touch the patients once in a while. Better luck next time, derm. The next challenge will separate the boys from the men. Challenge number 3, dealing with a drug-seeking patient.
Hey, doctor! Can I get some Dilaudid? Okay, I'll give you some Dilaudid. Just this once. But don't put it in your vagina.
Oh, you want some Dilaudid? Do you have any pain? No? Let me see your hand.
Want Dilaudid to you? One for you. One. One for you. One for me. One for you.
Diddly dotted? Oh, I think you mean dilaudid. Well, here in our emergency department, it's our policy to not give out long-term opioids to pain patients. But you seem like such a nice, reasonable guy. How about I just write you for a 90-day script and you promise to never, ever return again?
I don't know how the judges feel about Dilaudid, but it looks like they've made their decision. Almost. Now they're making it. The tribute who will be forced to soap next is district psychiatry. Single tear. I guess it's considered poor form to get high with your patients. Anyway, this competition is getting fierce. The next challenge is a vital step in any successful match. Challenge number 4, acquire a letter of recommendation.
Oh, letter of rec? I think I have to tell a dirty joke to get that. So there are 206 bones in the body. Would you like another one? Yeah.
I know where to get one of those.
Got it. Oh, and it's scented.
Letter of recommendation? I know where to get one of those. Will this work?
I can already tell this is going to be a close call. Judges? Sadly, District Emergency Medicine, you will have to sew. I guess you didn't chug quite fast enough. For our last challenge, the stakes are higher than ever. Winner of the challenge earns a spot at their top choice of residency. The loser must sew. This is my favorite challenge in the entire games. The final challenge, a rap battle.
Got my hammer.
Check, check. Check. What? My name's Jake. No. One more time. My name is Jake. No, can't ignore me. Ortho's way better than some sorority. She thinks she's tough, trying to battle me. She don't even do real grown-up surgery. I can match you with a hammer and bone saw. But we keep it chill in the operating room, unlike these girls raging around the room.
Oh, snap! That was intense. Now, Sammy, you may have a few moments to deliberate.
Ortho.
And now, finally folks, the moment you've been waiting for all year, the winner of the 62nd annual UC Davis Match Games, District Obstetrics and Gynecology. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh
Court, though, I have your soap results right here. Looks like you will be matching into geriatric gynecology in rural Mississippi.
Worse than death!
Well, that's just unfortunate. For the rest of you out there, have a happy match games. And may the match be ever in your favor.
All my sisters, I took all those patients through surgery, and I'm not proud of my vows. But in the end, it don't really matter. 'Cause every day was like no sweet dream. I'm missing all the questions. I need about 5 trains, chocolate in the hallways. We don't care. We got empty names. And every day was like plastic. Standing, retracting all the surgery. Stay up, study, never see our family. We don't care. We'll have clips bars for every meal. Doctors, doctors, things better run fast. The hospital is filled with us, and we don't know useful stuff. We need your doctor, doctors. You can call me MD, and maybe I'll try. To not fuck up every day. It's been checked out long ago in September, and all attendings who know us know that we're almost through. We just come for attendance. Every day is like sleeping, go home, skipping all the classes, parties, resting, traveling on the weekends. We don't care. Our match day's almost here. Big debt, interest on our interest, Lauren Snow, who always knows our inbox. We don't care. Salary is almost here. Interns. Is way too tough. Doctor, you can call me MD. I will be a catastrophe. And I'm in love with being matched. Oh. Let me escape from out of here. We're gonna be doctors, doctors. You can call me MD. Med school just ain't for us, 'cause we don't give any more fucks. Doctors, doctors. You can call me MD. And match me, match me, match me, match me. Let me live that fantasy.
And now we will have the judges come backstage and deliberate about their award decisions. Everyone sit tight. And yes, Bobby is waiting back there.